In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the size, cover or paper type of your CEWE photo book once you've started making it. To change the size of your photo book, click on the grey button which shows the price of your book. A pop-up will appear and here you'll see the different sizes available for you to change to. You can only make your book bigger or smaller, you can't change the orientation. For example, you can't change from a landscape book to a portrait book. Select the size you wish to change to and click the OK button. A warning will appear advising on what the changes might affect, but if you're happy to proceed, click the Yes button. If you'd like to change the paper type, click the paper type drop-down in the same pop-up window and choose a new paper before pressing OK. You can also change the cover type here too. And that's how you can change the size, cover or paper type of your CEWE photo book. Thanks for watching.